Hou Tung Machine Company Ltd. specializes in manufacturing steel sheet PU sandwiched panel making machines and steel sheet forming machines with varied specifications. Hou Tung provides R&D, manufacturing processes, technology transfers, and turnkey projects for the whole plant production process. With many years production experience, Hou Tung contains the following product lines: steel sheet feeding machines, metal sheet forming machines, metal sheet bonding machines, bending machines, auto shearing and slitting line machines, pile-up PU sandwiched panel manufacturing machines, continuous double-layer steel PU sandwiched panel manufacturing machines, corrugated steel tile forming machines, forming machines for cold storage rooms, large R arch machines, small R arch machines, calcium silicate board PU sandwich panel manufacturing machines. The aforementioned machines manufacture framework, roofs, walls, and section paneling. In accordance with customer requirements, continuous double-layer PU sandwich panel making machines can make roof panels, wall panels, and ceiling panels for interior decoration. Introducing this set of double-layer steel PU sandwich wall panels. The finished products are applicable for built-in operations and any steel sheet painted with wood grains, mineral grains, and ceramic grains. The wall panel manufactured by this machine is both beautiful and practical. They are heat insulated, sound insulated, fire resistant, and easy to operate. The operation process is as follows. A multiple touchscreen is used for the production editing. Material is loaded into the feeding machine. There is a moving flat cutting base for material that is coming in. The wall panel forming machine has a double-layer steel sheet or inside panels with aluminum foil paper. The wall panel is preheated and then foamed by low-pressure PU pouring machines. The inside and outside panels are combined. They are shaped by PU foam rubber presses and cooled in the shape forming machine. Finally, they are off to the moving product press cutting machine, which provides us with our finished products. This machine is easy to operate and easy to repair. It is durable and requires low maintenance costs and few operators. We have met standards for ISO 9001 for strict quality and manufacturing process control. Hou Tung Machine Company Ltd. keeps working hard for long-term business growth and insists upon good management, integrity, and high-quality equipment. In order to offer customers various kinds of services, the Hou Tung professional team has acquired many patents and has received praises from clients worldwide. Our machinery can be designed to meet the customer's demands for different panel profiles. Hou Tung is committed to attaining mutual benefits with its partners and clients. Together, we can reach our goals.